Now, let's talk about the PSYCH-K Advanced Integration Workshop. This is a 4-day deep dive into your subconscious. If you want to accelerate your journey to new levels of awareness and transformation, then the Advanced Integration Workshop is for you. The prerequisite is the basic in-person workshop. You will experience and also learn how to facilitate the following processes. The rapport bounce. You will learn how to become a better communicator, create a deep sense of trust and safety with others in a matter of minutes by transforming the subconscious limitations associated to the verbal and the nonverbal communication. This makes it easier to help others identify issues that may otherwise be difficult to acknowledge and change. The belief points with energy focusing. You will learn how to use 12 energy points on the body that are derived from ancient Chinese medicine. Each point represents key beliefs that give you valuable information about how you are limiting yourself in a given situation. These belief points are used with energy focusing, a safe and effective process that allows you to focus energy to a belief point in order to reprogram subconscious beliefs quickly and easily. You will also learn surrogation, a possibility for reprogramming at a distance. Surrogation works with a substitute person for muscle testing and balancing in the absence of the person whom the change process is being done. Surrogation can be used to help friends, relatives, and even your pets. The core belief bounce. This process addresses 13 core beliefs that often keep us from tapping our full potential in life. It is a general belief reprogramming process that prepares the mind-body system for accelerated change. The relationship balance. This balance will help you transform personal issues with others and to better understand the lessons to be learned in the relationship. It will provide a clearer perspective on the value of relationships between parents, children, spouses, friends, and lovers. The life bonding balance. The trauma of birth and the fear of death are two powerful aspects of human experience. This balance utilizes breath as a means of reprogramming the limiting impact of these influences in our lives. By directing the breath back and forth between two powerful points in the body, you will learn to transform stress associated with the birth and death experiences. And a wonderful experience at the end of the workshop, where you will be able to clearly recognize that the power of change lives within you.